Welcome to our culinary journey through the heart of Turkish desserts. Today, we're diving into the intricate process of making the perfect baklava. First, preheat your oven to 350 derece or 175 degrees. While the oven is warming up, butter a 9x13-inch baking dish thoroughly. This will ensure our baklava doesn't stick and gets that beautiful golden brown crust. Next, toss together your chopped nuts and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This mixture will add a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor in every bite. Now, unroll your phyllo dough. Cut the whole stack in half to fit your baking dish. Place 2 sheets of dough in the dish and butter them thoroughly. Repeat this process until you have 8 layers of dough. Once you have your base layers, sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of the nut mixture on top. Continue layering by adding 2 sheets of dough, buttering and sprinkling nuts, repeating until your top layer is about 6 to 8 sheets deep. Using a sharp knife, cut into diamond or square shapes all the way to the bottom of the pan. This step is crucial for achieving those perfect bite-sized pieces. Bake your baklava for about 50 minutes or until it's golden and crisp. While it bakes, let's prepare the sauce. Boil sugar and water until the sugar melts completely. Add a touch of vanilla and honey and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Once your baklava is out of the oven, immediately spoon the sauce over it. This allows the sweet syrup to soak into every layer. Let it cool before serving. For a neat presentation, serve each piece in cupcake papers. And remember, baklava freezes well, but leave it uncovered as it can get soggy if wrapped. Stay tuned as we explore more delightful treats from around the world. This is why you need baklava in your life. Ready for a treat that's been loved for centuries. Baklava hails from the Ottoman Empire, now Turkey. Imagine layers of crispy, paper-thin phyllo pastry, filled with crunchy, chopped nuts and drenched in sweet, silky honey or syrup. That's baklava for you. It's like a sweet, nutty symphony in your mouth. Fun fact, the word baklava comes from the Turkish language and it means to wrap up. So, next time you crave something delicious, remember this ancient treat that's still rocking taste buds today. Go ahead, give baklava a try. Your taste buds will thank you.